We can't live without coal. Coal is a non-renewable resource that has been mined underground by many countries around the world for hundreds of years. Power plants use it to generate 44% of our electricity.
However, coal power plants are the single biggest air polluters in the U.S. They produce coal gas as a byproduct of burning coal for energy. Coal gas, which is responsible for 31% of all carbon dioxide emissions, is partly comprised of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, which contributes to the formation of small acidic particulates in the air, penetrates into human lungs and is absorbed by the bloodstream. Sulfur dioxide also causes acid rain, which damages crops, forests, and soils, and acidifies lakes and streams. This is detrimental to the surrounding ecosystems and makes the water unsafe to drink from. A typical uncontrolled coal plant emits 14,100 tons worth of sulfur dioxide each year. A typical emissions-controlled plant that has smokestack scrubbers, which desulfurize the emitted gas, discharges 7,000 tons of sulfur dioxide per year. Another deadly component of coal gas are nitrogen oxides. They contribute to ground-level smog. When inhaled, nitrogen oxides burn lung tissue, worsen asthma, and make people more susceptible to chronic respiratory diseases. A typical uncontrolled coal plant releases 10,300 tons of nitrogen oxides per year, while a coal plant with emissions controlling technology gives off an average of 3,300 tons of nitrogen oxides per year. Soot, which gives coal gas its dark color, can cause chronic bronchitis, aggravated asthma, and even premature death. And last but not least, coal gas is composed of mercury, which is a toxic heavy metal that causes brain damage and heart problems. Coal power plants are responsible for more than half of all human-caused emissions of mercury. A typical uncontrolled coal plant emits approximately 170 pounds of mercury each year. 8% of coal plants have technology that can reduce mercury emissions by up to 90%. Just to give you an idea of how toxic mercury is, just 1/70th of a teaspoon of mercury deposited in a 25-acre lake can make the fish unsafe to eat. Knowing that, just imagine how detrimental the massive amounts of mercury that are emitted by coal plants are to wildlife and humans as well.
We can't live without coal.
Or can we?